Right, it's time for the science lesson, the part of the show where we delve a little deeper into some key scientific principles. Today's theme will appeal to all of those who have some spare sulfur, charcoal and potassium nitrate lying about the place. Can you guess what it is?
That's right, explosions. Because those three things are the key ingredients of gunpowder and also fireworks, which here in Adelphi, Italy, have been accidentally set off early and all at once. I wonder if anyone brought any sparklers.
But there's more to explosions than poorly organised firework displays. There are three types of explosion: mechanical, chemical and nuclear. Although nuclear is a bit beyond our budget. Chemical explosions are caused by chemical reactions set off by fire, electrical current and impact, amongst other things. Mechanical explosions are a physical process caused by a build-up of pressure. For example,
a dry ice bomb contains frozen carbon dioxide. As it warms and turns into a gas, the pressure increases and, helped by a little shock, causes a mechanical explosion. When this firework is ignited by heat, a chemical explosion occurs, resulting in a blast wave, which can cause the most damage.
So, plenty of evidence there as to why messing about with any kind of explosive is incredibly dangerous and, well, epically stupid. Let's have a test. Question 1. Aside from nuclear, what other kinds of explosions are there?
Well, there's chemical. But what happens when a chemical explosive is placed in a freezer? It can help defrosting, but you do know there's a setting for that. A can of baked beans warming gently on an open fire. Or, in scientific terms, a rapidly expanding gas in a confined space. Yes, a mechanical explosion.
Question 2. Who can remember what can initiate an explosion?
Well, there's heat, like that. But what else? Yes, in certain situations, striking. But not like that. More like that. And also...
Oh, now shake it. Shake it.
Correct. Shaking a dry ice mixture increases kinetic energy, producing more gas inside. Oh, maybe it hasn't worked.
I went like...
Oh, no, it's worked. Yeah, I don't think chemistry's your subject, son.
And finally, who can remember what tends to cause the most damage in an explosion? That's right, it's the blast wave, bringing with it a potentially destructive front of highly compressed air, which if it hits around 60 psi, can have fatal consequences. But if not,
it can still unblock the U-bend. And even really hurt the eardrums.
And that's why we don't play with bombs, kids.
Precisely, and that goes for grown-ups too. Which concludes our science lesson on explosions.